Welcome back. Just I have started the topic flora and fauna, and here just I taught you a newspaper clipping, and just I'm going to start the topic flames in the forest. Flames in the forest means simply the fire has been caught in the jungle or in the forest, and this story has been written by Ruskin Bond, and we know about him because he is one of the best writer of India and who has written many stories for children. When you talk about Ruskin Bond, he was born in 1934 and he is Indian author of British origin, and he is one of the most popular children writer in India. I told you previously, he is one of the best writer of India for the children. And just the author began writing his first novel, The Room on the Roof, at the age of 17. Oh my God! Simply you can understand. The age of 17, it is very early age to write. Although he became a writer, and his first novel, The Room on the Roof, is written only in the age of 17, and he won the John Llewellyn Rice Memorial Prize for his work. He has also been rewarded with other prestigious awards like the Sahitya Academy Award, Sahitya Academy Awards in 1992, and the Padma Shri in 1999. And most of his work are influenced by his life in the hill station or the hill where he has spent. And just I'm going to start the story, and before starting it, I'm just going to talk about the objectives. When we go through the topic and when we learn the topic, we will be able for further things or these things. These are read a story about two boys caught in a forest fire. Simply it is a summary, and you will understand when you just learn the topic that it's about two boy who has been who have been just caught in the forest fire. And the second one, they study types of compound word, learn environment words, abbreviation and acronyms. There is two words I think which is difficult for you, abbreviation and acronyms. And simply when we talk about abbreviation, it means the compression or summarization, simply, or contracted word, which is contracted or shortened word which has been used for the whole, like we write dr for doctor. Yeah, we write professor for prof for professor. These are the abbreviation, and other is the acronym. And acronym means simply miniature form, or means it is the way to write the beginning letter of two or three words, like USA, United States of America, the initial letter, the beginning letter. Yeah, like AIDS, the initial note. And the fourth objective of this topic, learn about transitive and intransitive verbs and the conjunctions. When we go through the topic, simply we can understand about the transitive verb. And as you know, transitive verb means those verb who take object, and intransitive are those who don't take object. And the conjunctions which are used to add the sentences or link the sentences, no. And just listen and identify facts and practice situational conversation. There is also conversation in this topic, and we understand this conversation and little bit we know how to write it too. And write a descriptive account, and just you understand how to write descriptively anything about finishing the topic. These are the objectives, and previously I told uh, that is not the way to write the objectives, although the writer has given over here. Let's start the topic. Wildfires or forest fires are a kind of natural disaster. We know it is natural disaster. These the cause can be either man-made or natural. That is also real thing. Just when you talk about the fire which is caught in the jungle, that might be man-made or that might be natural. Only two reasons of the fire over there. And forest fires can burn acres of land and consume everything on its path in no time. You know, the fire of the jungle or forest spreads in no time. With means simply taking very less time, it can spread, and simply whatever comes in the path of the fire caught by it. So it is very dangerous one. The fire is very dangerous one. Read this story in which two boys and numerous wild animals are caught in the raging forest fire. And this story just we are going to read about two children uh, who were there in the fire, and just the numerous wild animals or a number of wild animals which are caught in the jungle at the time of fire. Just when you talk about the story, there are three children. First one is Romi, second one Prem, and third one is Teju. Teju, Romi, and Prem. There are three children, and just this story is about mainly two children, Romi and Teju, and the both were there in the fire. Just I'm going to start the topic. I just previously told you in previous video. Just you have to learn the meaning. Although the meaning are not difficult. Yeah, the words are not difficult. Although you should go through all the meanings to understand the topic properly. Just I'm going to start it. As Romi was about to mount his bicycle, he saw a smoke rising from behind the distant line of trees. It looks like a forest fire, said Prem, his friend. And just Romi was about to mount his bicycle. Mount means he is about to ride on his bicycle. At the same time, there was fire behind him, or far away, not near, far away. There was the smoke. When Romi was just riding on the bicycle, or just mounting on the bicycle, there was a smoke rising, and we know the reason of the smoke rising. That is because of the smoke is because of the fire. So there was fire behind him, and his friend named Prem told him that it looks like a forest fire. Just by looking at the smoke, simply he told that it was looking like forest fire. It's well to the east, said Romi. Now we're near the road. There's a strong wind, said Prem, looking at the dry leaves swirling across the road. And when just his friend Prem told him that it was forest fire, just Romi told that it's well to the east, means nowhere near the road, means the fire is far from the road and simply he can go. So there is no any, just he can't get effect, or he can't be harmed because of the fire. So he told that it is far and he could go. Because of that, by neglecting Prem, he told him that the fire was not near the road. But there was a strong wind, Prem told him, and the dry leaves swirling across the road, and the leaves the leaves are just flying or squirreling with the help of wind, or just the wind was blowing fastly over there. So he told him not to go. But it was the middle of May, and it hadn't rained for several weeks. The grass was brown, the tree leaves covered with dust. Even though it was 6 in the evening, the boy's shirts were damp with sweat. And it is about May, and as we know, May is the hot season, and because of its hotness, simply many times we found that the jungle it caught fire because of the hotness. And here was also about the story of May, and it had been long time of the rain which hadn't fall hadn't fallen there, and the grass was dry and just brown, and it was covered with dust. And it was evening 6 o'clock, and the boy's shorts were wet because of the hotness. It will be dark soon, said Prem. You'd better spend the night at my house. And Prem told him to stay there and don't go, because it was being night. It was 6 o'clock, and it was being night, and because of the fire, it was not better for uh, Romy to go to his house. So, being his honest friend, just Prem suggested him to stay there. Just I have completed page number 46, or one page. Just I want to summarize it. Uh, there was rising a smoke behind Romy. When Romy was riding on his bicycle, there was rising a smoke behind him, and his friend named Prem suggested him not to go, because simply the fire could harm him, because the road which leads him, yeah, the road which could lead him to his village was through the jungle, so it couldn't be better for him to go. So his friend Prem told him to stay at night, because it was 6 o'clock evening and it was going to be night. So he told him to stay, but Rami couldn't like to stay. He just protected himself to stay there, and he wanted to go. That is about the first page. I am going to start the second page, where we get the answer. Why does he want to go in such a dangerous condition? He could stay at night there, because it was not good for him to go through the jungle where there was fire, although he wanted to go. Why? Is there any reason? Just we get when we read the second page. I'm going to start it. No, my father isn't keeping well, and the doctor has given me some pills for him. It will take me only 40 minutes to ride through the forest. His village lay 7 miles away on the other side of the forest. Yeah, it was the reason. His father was not well, he was unwell, and the doctor had provided him medicine or pills or tabs for his father. So he didn't like to stay there, because he had to feed his father the medicine, and he told him that it took simply 45 minutes to go to his village through the jungle, so he could go. He couldn't stay because of his father. Romy rode swiftly out of the village. Ahead of him, the smoke rose from the burning forest, and the sky glowed red. And just Romy started his cycling, and just ahead of him, there was rising of a smoke, and there was burning forest, and because of the fire, the sky was just glowed red. Yeah, the sky was being red because of the fire. although he didn't live to go. Look how much a son can love his father, although he knew that he can die, or simply the fire could harm him, because the fire of jungle is very dangerous. Although knowing the fact, because of his father, he decided to go to the house. So simply we can understand how much love or affection he has in his heart for his father. And he soon left the village far behind. It was a rough, dusty road which cut straight through the forest. And he left the village, he started going, and it was not a good road, because it was a rough and dusty road. And although he started cycling very fast, wanted to go to the village. Just I have completed uh, at least two paragraph of page number 47, and just I will teach you in the next video about it. And again I want to repeat you, please try to go through the meanings which make you understand the topic properly, and I will try to summarize while teaching the topic many times for you. And just at last I want to tell you, be safe.